In this video, solution to problem number 29 set in the Jawaharlal Nehru University entrance examination of 2018 and uploaded on 2nd December of 2020 itself will be discussed. But before proceeding further, it must be mentioned that two videos will be needed to be uploaded to solve this inhomogeneous linear differential equation. I repeat, two videos will be needed to solve this inhomogeneous linear differential equation, of which this is the first one. This fact remained unmentioned in the video through which the question was uploaded. Now starting the solution, the given differential equation, which is an inhomogeneous linear differential equation of second order and first degree, is written in equation 1. General solution to such differential equation is expressed as the sum of solution to homogeneous part and particular solution to the inhomogeneous part, which is given in equation 2. First, the solution to the inhomogeneous part expressed through equation 3 will be done. To solve equation 3, equation 4a, the equation 4a represents the trial solution. From equation 4a, the derivatives are found as in equations 4b and 4c. And plugging 4b and 4c into equation 3, the characteristic equation is obtained as in equation 5. And the solution to this quadratic given by equation 5 is given in equation 6. Note equation 6. These are real and distinct root. I repeat, these are real and distinct root. And thus, the solution to the homogeneous part is as written in equation 7. Now we start the procedure to find the particular solution. Utilizing the standard tabular form for finding the particular solution available in standard textbook on mathematical physics, the expected choice for the term y suffix p is as given in equation 8a. But the term x is common to both the choice for particular solution and solution to the homogeneous part as given in equation 7. I repeat, the term x is common to both equation 8a and to the solution of homogeneous equation given in 7. So, the modified or actual form of particular solution is as expressed in equation 8b. The modified or actual form of particular solution is as expressed in equation 8b. Now finding derivatives of 8b, where dots denote order of differentiation as shown in equations 9a and 9b, the results are plugged into equation 1 to arrive at equation 10. Now we are not far away from the final solution, but due to lack of space on the board, those steps will have to be shown in the second video. I repeat, those steps will have to be shown in the second video on solution to be uploaded next. It is hoped that the concluding part will be received with equal enthusiasm. I also hope that the solution is clear so far to those who watched this video. Thanks for watching.